Good morning, YouTube. Happy Saturday. Hey, so we are off to a car show this morning. It has been a while since we've done a car show. So, got the gear, got some batteries. I ran out of batteries last time and Kent made fun of me. So anyway, we're going to head over there and take some pictures of some cars, take some videos of some cars, talk to some people, eat some food, have a good time. Alright, see you.
4:20 a.m.
Waiting on somebody to come through and fuck with me. Put in work and make it up for me. No other bitches, they got none of me. Take your time, no need to rush with me. How could you resist what I got to give? How could you resist what I got to give? Waiting on somebody. Waiting on somebody to come through and fuck with me. Put in work and make it up for me. No other bitches, they got none of me. Take your time, no need to rush with me. How could you resist what I got to give? How could you resist what I got to give? Waiting on somebody to come through and fuck with me. Put in work and make it up for me. No other bitches, they got none of me. Take your time, no need to rush with me. How could you resist what I got to give? How could you resist what I got to give? Fuck with me, fuck with me. Take your time to fuck with me. Fuck with me, fuck with me. No other bitches, they got none of me.
End of message.
I'll come back to you. I'll always come back to you. You're the one that sees right through. Ooh, can't hide from you. Can't hide away from you. 'Cause you know the things I do. Ooh.
should be. It was the curse of your lies you denied, and now it's raining on me. Say you really want me, want me. Tell me that you need me, need me. Give me all your reasons for leaving, but don't you say you love me. Oh no, don't you say you love me. Don't you say you love me. Don't you say you love me. Oh no, don't you say you love me. Don't you say you love me. Don't you say you love me. Oh no.
Hey YouTube, thanks a lot for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We had another great car show. Really good to see everybody. Hey, I don't know if some of you who went noticed, but there was a guy giving away free t-shirts. I don't mean lethal. Did you get your free San Diego State t-shirt? I got mine. Okay, to be fair, it was my friend Montoya who gave me the San Diego State t-shirt. I told him for sure I would wear it in a video. That doesn't count, Montoya. I will definitely wear it in a video. But anyway, thank you so much for the t-shirt. A little April Fool's since it is April Fool's Day. More videos to come. Obviously, we have a lot of modifications. If you could see some of the things in the garage. If you could see inside my head. And you'd see a ton of modifications. I just have the big problem, right? Time and money. And it's really mostly money because I do have some time. Anyway, if you guys want to pick up any of the Lethal Camaro merchandise, I'll put a link to it down below. Matt was there with his awesome car. Lots of other awesome cars to look at in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed them. We enjoyed walking around, talking to people, and seeing everybody's awesome cars. Till next time, keep modding.